Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the latest news we have for Windows 11. As a lot of people are always asking me, when's the 22H2, and is it close, and what's happening with the future of Windows 11, and when's Windows 12? Of course, Windows 12 is still not something that we can talk about, as it's speculation, and we're not sure that Microsoft it doesn't seem like Microsoft is working on anything Windows 12 right now. But it's a rumor that's possible, as we are back to a 3-year schedule for Windows releases. As for 22H2, which is what I like to call Windows 11 version 2.0, it is supposed to arrive this month. Speculation and a lot of insider details seem to say that 22621, which is the build that's chosen, is released on September the 20th. So that'd be 15 days from now. So this is going to be interesting to see when that is going to happen. So that would be 22H2. We'll, of course, have a roundup of all of its features, including some little things here and there under the hood that we found over time. So that will arrive. But one interesting detail that we, of course, also had is that we know that after 22H2 is officially released, there will be in Windows 11 updates that are called moments. We talked about it in the past. We know that there will be a moment on before the year is over, apparently. And next year, we should have something like 4 moments during the year. So like something like every 3 months or so. These moments bring new features. Now we have new evidence of these moments. Albacore, a Twitter user that often has a lot of Windows leaks, has looked at some PowerShell commands that were issued in a demonstration from Microsoft. So he's very keen-eyed. He looks at every little details everywhere. So what he saw in the PowerShell demonstration that was there is that, so of course moments will come through Windows updates. That's the first thing. There will be cumulative updates, and they will be adding features. They might also arrive through other means. There's, the famous enablement packages, and there's also some updates of apps that will come through the Microsoft Store. But he actually spotted a build which was 22940. So notice we are at 22621. And according to him, 22940 or the 22900 build would be the second moment. So what was shown there would be not the moment that we'll have this year, which will bump up this build number, but probably the second moment, which would be early next year. So that is kind of interesting. It does kind of prove that moments is a thing and that's coming. It's going to be interesting to see also what happens next in Windows 11. What kind of features are we going to see? Well, 22622, those of you that are on the beta channel and are on the 622 instead of 621, are probably going to be the ones testing the moments features as we go through next year. So that would be the thing about the beta channel, and we're actually going to do a little update on the insider rings, and also kind of clarify. We always have questions on the insider rings, and people are a little a little lost as to what build and what channel is what exactly, and which ones let you get out or not. That's going to be the next video. But as we know, for Windows 11, next year will be moments after moments, and by the end of the year, it's somebody was saying, well, couldn't they just bump up that version to 23H2? Well, they probably will. And one of the things that was talked about is that maybe the last moment of 2022, while it's delivering the updates, would actually bump up the version number to 23H2, which could be a possibility. So we'll see anyways as time goes by what are the new features, what are the things, and apparently the File Explorer tabs that a lot of people are waiting for would actually be released this year and the first moments update that we will get that will bring us the tabs feature in File Explorer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.